Welcome to this explainer. Let's get right into it. Today, we're breaking down the mechanics and honestly, the massive financial upside of modern factory equipment maintenance. You know, if you've ever wondered how top-tier manufacturing floors actually keep their machines humming, their production lines perfectly stable, and their profits intact, you are in the right place. We're going to see why a smart factory is really only as smart as its baseline maintenance.
Okay, here is our roadmap for today. We've got 5 parts. We'll hit the power of early detection, rule-based versus condition-based strategies, tracking equipment states, digitalizing maintenance systems, and finally, total productive maintenance.
Let's kick things off with Section 1, the power of early detection and stopping the domino effect. To really grasp this, let's zoom all the way in on just one piece of machinery. Look at how a massive engine failure actually starts. I mean, it doesn't just spontaneously explode, right? First, you get a simple drop in lubricant, but left unchecked, that tiny drop causes an increase in vibration. That vibration then damages a bearing, and then the whole engine fails. If you catch that simple drop in lubricant early on, you stop that incredibly expensive chain reaction right in its tracks.
The takeaway here is huge. A single unstable machine doesn't just stop itself. It halts your entire production line. That one downed engine completely tanks your factory's utilization rate, ruins delivery schedules, and literally drains revenue. Catching it early, that is your absolute frontline defense against massive waste. Moving on to Section 2, rule-based versus condition-based, understanding the maintenance dichotomy.
So the most foundational strategy here is what we call rule of base, or a preventative maintenance system, PMS. It's exactly like your car. You know you need an oil change every 5,000 kilometers, right? Why? Because the manufacturer says so. It gives you a stable baseline. But there's a catch. You risk changing parts either way too early, which wastes money, or slightly too late, which risks damaging the equipment. Now, look at the stark contrast here between those basic time-based rules and the high-tech, sensor-driven world of predictive maintenance, or PDM. While your standard PMS replaces a part just because the calendar says so, PDM is actually using IoT sensors, stuff like vibration or noise monitors, to trigger a replacement based on the actual real-time condition of the machine.
But here is the absolute truth of it. Predictive maintenance requires a massive technical investment and complex root cause analysis. Before a factory can even dream of getting to that level, a rigorously followed preventative maintenance system is completely non-negotiable. It's the essential foundation you have to stabilize your manufacturing quality today. All right, Section 3, tracking equipment states, the SEMI E10 standard. To manage that baseline effectively across an entire factory floor, you have to categorize how every single second of machine time is spent. You can't improve what you don't track, so the industry uses this SEMI E10 standard. It's a simple, brilliant, color-coded system. Green is for runtime, red is for downtime, and yellow is for idle. And it's pretty clear, any red downtime, whether it's scheduled maintenance or a total unexpected crash, aggressively eats right into your critical machine availability. But honestly, that yellow idle state, that's where things get really fascinating. Logging these specific idle reason codes is absolutely vital. Think about it. It lets us analyze exactly why capacity dropped when the machine wasn't even broken. Maybe you ran out of raw materials on the line, or engineering borrowed the machine for a test, or maybe it was just offline for training. Tracking this is exactly how you uncover all that hidden waste in a factory. Let's shift gears. Section 4. Digitalizing maintenance systems, moving beyond paper. Picture your traditional factory for a second. You've probably seen those paper logs shoved into oily plastic bags hanging right next to the machines. A technician finishes an inspection, scribbles a note, and shoves it back in. The problem? You literally cannot run statistical analysis on a greasy piece of paper with completely inconsistent handwriting. That's why moving to a centralized digital MRO, a maintenance, repair, and operations system, is a total game changer. In fact, it's mandatory. Once you digitize, the benefits just compound rapidly. You unify your standards across completely different factory locations. And even better, you stop wasting money hoarding spare parts in random corners of the building. Plus, you actually have the exact materials you need when a machine unexpectedly goes down. It completely streamlines your inventory and boosts technician efficiency. And this right here is the true cutting edge of digital maintenance. We're talking about Retrieval Augmented Generation, or RAG. It's an AI expert system. Imagine taking all those digital standard operating procedures, all the original manuals, decades of historical repair logs, and feeding them into an AI. So now, instead of a new hire having to halt production to go hunt down the one master technician in the building, they can literally just ask the factory's AI exactly how to fix a specific machine error. It's incredible. Finally, Section 5, Total Productive Maintenance, the Industry 4.0 philosophy.
I love this quote because it hits the nail right on the head. Automation is not a money-printing machine. If equipment isn't stable, the machine will just print errors. We hear so much hype about Industry 4.0, but automation alone isn't magic. If you don't have meticulous preventative maintenance, keeping things stable, your super expensive automated factory is just going to pump out garbage and defects at blinding speed. And that brings us to the core of Total Productive Maintenance, or TPM. TPM basically says that every single employee in the organization has to participate in keeping the machines healthy. The goal is to aggressively eliminate that red downtime we talked about earlier. You're driving toward the ultimate lean manufacturing goal of absolute zero waste. Maintenance isn't just a job for the repair team in the back room, it's literally the heartbeat of the entire factory.
So as you look at your own operations, or even the companies you're investing in, ask yourself, is their maintenance knowledge still trapped on a greasy piece of paper in a plastic bag? Or are they actually ready to digitize, build a rock-solid preventative maintenance system, and create a truly intelligent factory? It's time to stop printing errors and start driving real, sustainable automation. Thanks for hanging out with me for this explainer. Keep looking for the systems that quietly run the world.